Welcome to Technoland Expart. Happy New Year 2026. This HTML document creates a full-screen celebratory particle animation where thousands of glowing dots dynamically move to form the text, Happy New Year 2026, using the HTML5 canvas and JavaScript physics-like motion. The page begins by removing default margins, hiding scroll bars, and applying a dark radial gradient background to enhance contrast and visual depth, while a canvas element fills the entire browser window and automatically resizes whenever the window dimensions change. JavaScript initializes the canvas drawing context and defines constants such as the number of particles, the displayed text, and arrays to store particle objects and their target positions. Each particle is an instance of the particle class, which starts at a random screen location and contains properties for position, velocity, target coordinates, and size. During each animation frame, particles smoothly accelerate toward their assigned targets using simple vector math, apply damping to simulate friction, and update their positions to create a fluid, organic motion rather than abrupt jumps. The particles are rendered as small golden circles, giving the appearance of glowing sparks or stars. To determine where particles should move, the createTextTargets function temporarily draws the text, Happy New Year 2026, in large, bold font at the center of the canvas, reads the pixel data from the canvas, and records positions where the text pixels are opaque. These positions become target coordinates that define the shape of the text. To maintain randomness and visual interest, the target positions are shuffled before being assigned to particles, and if there are more particles than target points, targets are reused cyclically so every particle has a destination. The temporary text rendering is immediately cleared so only the particles remain visible, giving the illusion that the text is made entirely of moving particles.